Okay, so recently a lot of brands released Android 14 developer previews for their particular device, including Nothing and Oneplus 11. And many users did install those builds and now wants to downgrade. So in this video, we'll show you guys step-by-step guide how can you downgrade your device to Android 13 from Android 14. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here you can see we have two phones. I'm not doing any separate video. I'm including both these phones in this same video. Towards the left hand side, that's Nothing Phone 1, and towards the right hand side, that's Oneplus 11. Before downgrading, you need to make sure your device is sufficiently charged and also make sure to take a backup because downgrading will wipe the entire data. So first, as I said, make sure to take a backup of your device and also make sure your device is sufficiently charged. Try to keep the battery percentage above 50. And after that you need to download the files. So one file of OnePlus 11 file size is quite huge. Let me show you. For OnePlus 11 file size is 5.43 GB, but for Nothing it's 1.29 GB. First we'll start the downgrade process on OnePlus 11. Later we'll show you guys the steps on Nothing Phone 1. So on OnePlus 11, simply what you have to do is you just have to go to About section, tap on version, tap on the build number 7 times until you see you are a developer now. Tap on Oxygen OS, tap on these three dots, select local install, and now locate the file which you have downloaded. All the download links can be found in the description below and everything is just one click. So here we have the rollback package, tapping on it, and we'll tap on extract. This will also give you a pop-up. Your data will be erased during installation process. I personally don't want backup, so if you guys are downgrading, make sure to take a backup of your important data. My data is backed up. Now the extraction process have been started. Meanwhile, we'll start the process on Nothing Phone 1. And guys, if you still haven't checked out our videos of Android 14 for Nothing Phone 1 and OnePlus 11, then make sure to check out the videos which are being displayed on the screen. And as always, if you guys like our content, make sure to smash that like button and also do consider subscribing. That will motivate us in making better content with quality. On Nothing Phone 1, you need to perform some additional tasks to locally downgrade or upgrade. First, you need to download the file manager. You can download any file manager, but I always prefer Google Files. Because on Android 14 file manager was not present. So what I'll do is I'll allow all the necessary permissions. And now you have to go to internal storage. Here you need to create a folder called OTA. So let's tap on these three dots, add a new folder. We'll name it as OTA and create the folder. Once the folder is created, you need to download that particular downgrade file which is placed here. Copy this, or you can directly move to that OTA folder. So here we have the OTA folder. I'll move that file here. So file have been moved. Now you need to open the dialer on Nothing Phone 1. On dialer you need to dial this number *#682 #*#*. This will open the Nothing offline OTA updater. From here, you can browse the file or you can also tap on reload. After tapping on browse, going to internal storage, OTA folder, I'll select the file. So here you can see the file have been selected. Now let's tap on directly apply OTA from select. Tapping on OK. The installation process will take some time. We'll wait for it to complete, and once it is completed, I'll update you guys. Okay, so on OnePlus 11, the downgrade process have completed. We just have to tap on install now. The device will later reboot. Nothing takes a lot of time. Local installation on Nothing takes approximate 20-25 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll just complete the setup of OnePlus 11. So tapping on install, device booted into recovery and performing a reset. So OnePlus 11 have booted up. Let me complete the setup to show you guys which version we are running on this device now. Okay, so let's go to settings, about section. If we go to version, so right now we are running version A.09. After this, there is another update which is A.10. You guys will automatically receive it once you check for it. And meanwhile, Nothing have also completed the downgrade process. Let's tap on confirm. Device will now restart and will have Android 13 running. Our Nothing Phone have also booted up. Let's complete the setup. Let me show you the software version now on Nothing. Going to about section. So the device is running Nothing OS 1.5.4, which is the latest one from Nothing. So guys, this way you can downgrade your Nothing Phone 1 or even OnePlus 11 to Android 13 if you have installed Android 14 developer preview. If you guys still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.
you.